Hello guys, this is me after a very long time of making vlogs. I am going to show you a very ultimate pattern tutorial for a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The most common pattern number 1, it's called the checkerboard. You need to do this middle turn, but if you cannot do that middle turn, it's fine. You can always do this. So you do it. Middle turn, another middle turn right here. Then you need to move the back of the side you're using and move it right here with a middle turn. Now to solve this, you need to do that middle turn one more time. And you need to do this middle turn. And finally, this middle turn right here. We have a second pattern number 2. It is called dots. It's my favorite pattern. This is how you do it. One middle turn right here. One middle turn right here. You can do this to get one of the sides with a different middle. Now you do this. Surprise! But to make dots classic, you need to do that turn, all those turns one more time. Like this. Middle turn, the green middle layer goes right here. White middle layer goes right here. White middle goes right here. Red middle goes right here. As a result, to get dots classic, you need to do those same turns. This goes this way, this goes this way, this goes this way, this goes this way. To solve it, do it again. Literally. And to make dots classic when you have a solved cube, you need to go like this. Middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here. Middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn. To solve it, middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here, middle turn here. Now, to make this the two-side complete pattern, we need to do this, middle turn, move that 2 times, do this thingy, to get this type of middle. Now, we have 2 sides solved if you do this 2 times. Literally, it's amazing to solve that. Do the same step backwards. You have to do this twice. This once, twice again. Here we go.